Hello everyone and welcome to Calculus 1-Bit Emoji Classroom. My name is Han and I'm going to be your instruction and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Bit Emoji Classroom. So there's the 6 items in my classroom. Number 1 is a clock hanging on the wall. Number 2 is a bookshelf. Number 3 is a calculator laying on the floor. Number 4 is also 2 books laying on the floor. Number 5 is my desk. And number 6 is a chalkboard on the wall. And then Mrs. Han is holding a book standing right next to the desk. And by using my Bitmoji Classroom, you will click on number 1 through 6 to learn the topic about calculus. So if you click on 1, it will show you a video of what calculus, what is it? Number 2, it's limits. Number 3, you will learn about differentiation. Number 4, it's application of derivatives. Number 5 is second order differentiation. And number 6, you will go to learn about integration.